Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change a profile picture on Facebook without losing likes and comments. To get started, you want to go ahead and log into your Facebook account. Once you get here, what you want to do is to click on your profile by the left here. And once you're here, there are actually two ways you can do it. The first one is to click on this camera icon and you can add to story, add to frame, but what we want to do is to upload photo, and then you can go ahead and choose a profile picture from your gallery and then click on done to update it. The second method is to scroll down, and where you see photos and avatars, you want to go ahead and click on avatars. Alright, once you're here, you can go ahead and click on this first icon here to change the skin tone, and then you can click on this one right here to change the hairstyle. So you can choose any of this hairstyle. I'm just gonna select this one right here, and you can choose the second one to customize the hair color. And so we want to leave it like that. Click on the next one to customize the face shape. Let's say we like this face shape. You want to go ahead and leave it like that. Once you're done, you want to go ahead and click on done at the top right corner here, and this will update automatically on your Facebook profile. Okay guys, this is how to change profile picture on Facebook without losing likes and comments. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.